In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pricing tables with Pandadoc. If you're looking to make your proposals or documents more professional and organized, using Pandadoc's pricing tables is a great way to do just that. So let's dive in and get started with this step-by-step guide. First, head over to the Pandadoc homepage. Once you're there, you'll be able to see your dashboard, where all your documents are stored. Take a moment to get familiar with this space, as it's where you'll manage your proposals and pricing tables. If you have multiple documents, you'll easily recognize this as your central hub, where everything comes together for your document management needs. After landing on the homepage, your next step is to click on Documents. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This section allows you to view all your existing documents, and it's here you'll choose the file you wish to work with. Browsing through these files, make sure you select the one for which you want to create a pricing table. Once you've identified the right document, click on it to open it. Now that you have your document open, you'll want to navigate to the Blocks section. The Blocks feature within Pandadoc is particularly powerful, offering a variety of elements you can incorporate into your document, such as text, images, and most importantly for this tutorial, tables. Click on Blocks, and you'll see a variety of options unfold. Within the Blocks menu, look for the Table option. The table is fundamental for setting up a structured pricing layout, allowing you to present your data clearly and professionally. Click on Table, and this will insert a basic table layout into your document, which you can then customize to suit your needs. At this point, you can customize the table to your liking. You can add or remove rows and columns to fit your pricing model, enter your price points, and include descriptions for your services or products. The flexibility of the table layout allows for adjustments that make the information easy to digest for your clients. When you're setting this up, consider how best to present your pricing information. Clarity is key, so make sure your columns are logically organized, such as product name, description, and price. This will help your clients quickly understand what you're offering. Remember, a well-organized pricing table not only looks professional, but also helps speed up the decision-making process for your clients. Once you're satisfied with your table, review it for accuracy to ensure all the information is correct. And there you have it. You've successfully created a pricing table in Pandadoc, helping to give your documents a professional edge. Happy drafting!